For demanding justice in Kathua and Unnao rape to the next level, Congress President Rahul Gandhi along with other leaders marched from the Congress headquarters to India Gate in the heart of the capital at midnight. Rahul Gandhi also slammed the Modi government and said that the Prime Minister should start the job of Beti Bachao.
एक के बाद एक जो इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं, हत्या के, बलात्कार के, वायलेंस के, उसके खिलाफ हम यहाँ खड़े हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार इस पर कार्रवाई करे। आज हिंदुस्तान की महिलाओं को डर लग रहा है, बाहर निकलने से डर लग रहा है। जहाँ भी हम देखते हैं कहीं ना कहीं कभी बच्ची को, कभी महिला को मारा जाता है, रेप किया जाता है, और हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार इस मामले को रिजॉल्व करे।
Today we just feel that we have to reach out and express our anguish, our pain, our sorrow. That's what we need to do today, and to put ourselves together to find out as to what is happening to our country, what is happening to our people, what's happening to our society. The normal law will obviously be expected to be put into motion. People must be made answerable. They must face trial. They must face punishment. But that's not for today. Today, it's only a sense of the pain that we feel, and we want to share this pain together.
In our country, we have after Nirbhaya, we have very stringent rape laws. And the rape laws are very clear as to when a man has to be arrested. A culprit has to be arrested. Under POSCO, when an FIR is launched, immediately the culprit or the accused have to be arrested. And here, the MLA is free. He's meeting the CM, he's meeting the SP, he's moving around with his goons. He's not arrested. He's brazenly appearing before the media, and whereas the father who stood for the daughter is murdered by the kith and kin of this goon MLA. That itself shows where are the laws. We have made a mockery of democracy. We have made a mockery of our laws. The stringent law is what happened after Nirbhaya. Why were these laws made if it had not to be executed?
प्रधानमंत्री का खुद अपना स्लोगन लड़की पढ़ाओ लड़की बचाओ, आज उस लड़की, मैंने सदन में भी कहा था उनके सामने कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपके राज में सबसे बड़ा अगर खतरा है तो इस देश की बहु बेटियों को और बच्चियों को है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के रूल में 2-2 महीने, 4-4 महीने, 6-6 महीने और 8-8 महीने बच्चों का बलात्कार हो रहा, और वो अपने मिनिस्टरों को एक्शन नहीं ले रहे। जम्मू में, कठुआ में उनके अपने मंत्री बलात्कार करने वालों को बचा रहे हैं, उनको अरेस्ट न हो इससे वहां जल्द से जुलूस निकाल रहे हैं। और उन्नाव में बीजेपी के एमएलए का भाई और एमएलए पर आरोप है और उस पर कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जा रहा है, तो बीजेपी खुद इसमें जिम्मेवार है।
Meanwhile, as a form of protest against the brutal rape incidents in Unnao and Kathua, DCW chairperson Swati Maliwal has decided to sit on an indefinite hunger strike starting today.
I will be reaching Rajghat at 11 a.m. and I really am fed up of the system raping the girls. These two incidents are a clear-cut example of the same. So I'm going on a hunger strike from tomorrow onwards. I demand that the Prime Minister of this country breaks his silence on rapes, comes up with a plan for this country as to how will we ensure that there are no more rapes, supports the Unnao and the Kathua victims' families and the victims. For 2.5 years, I have been demanding simple changes. Police resources, police accountability, fast-track courts, strong systems, and nothing is done because they genuinely feel that the people of this country are dead. I just want to tell them, neither are the women of this country dead, nor is the Women Commission dead. We will take action. We are going to sit on an indefinite hunger strike. Do whatever you might, but you will have to come out and you will have to support the victims.